Part 1. The problem.
We received an urgent task this morning.
We received an urgent task this morning.
The deadline is much closer than we expected.
The deadline is much closer than we expected.
The team immediately felt the pressure.
The team immediately felt the pressure.
There is not much time left to prepare.
There is not much time left to prepare.
We need to move quickly but carefully.
We need to move quickly but carefully.
Everyone is checking their current workload.
Everyone is checking their current workload.
Some tasks may need to be postponed.
Some tasks may need to be postponed.
The request from the client is very clear.
The request from the client is very clear.
They are expecting a fast response from us.
They are expecting a fast response from us.
We cannot afford any major mistakes.
We cannot afford any major mistakes.
The supervisor asked for immediate action.
The supervisor asked for immediate action.
The timeline looks quite tight.
The timeline looks quite tight.
We need a smart plan to handle this.
We need a smart plan to handle this.
Everyone is trying to stay focused.
Everyone is trying to stay focused.
This will be a challenging situation.
This will be a challenging situation.
Part 2. The solution.
Part 2. The solution.
We started by dividing the work clearly.
We started by dividing the work clearly.
Each team member took responsibility for one part.
Each team member took responsibility for one part.
We agreed to focus on the most critical steps first.
We agreed to focus on the most critical steps first.
Communication stayed open and direct.
Communication stayed open and direct.
Signed, we held quick check-ins every hour.
We held quick check-ins every hour.
This helped us catch problems early.
This helped us catch problems early.
Whenever an issue appeared, we solved it quickly.
Whenever an issue appeared, we solved it quickly.
The team maintained a steady working pace.
the team maintained a steady working pace.
No one rushed blindly through the tasks.
No one rushed blindly through the tasks.
We double-checked the important details.
We double-checked the important details.
Progress became more stable over time.
Progress became more stable over time.
The pressure gradually became more manageable.
The pressure gradually became more manageable.
Everyone stayed aligned with the plan.
Everyone stayed aligned with the plan.
In the end, the task was completed on time.
In the end, the task was completed on time.
The whole team felt relieved and satisfied.
The whole team felt relieved and satisfied.
Part 3. Lesson and Conclusion.
Part 3. Lesson and Conclusion.
Urgent tasks require clear priorities.
Urgent tasks require clear priorities.
Good planning can reduce a lot of stress.
Good planning can reduce a lot of stress.
Working fast does not mean working carelessly.
Working fast does not mean working carelessly.
Team coordination is extremely important.
Team coordination is extremely important.
Regular updates help everyone stay on track.
Regular updates help everyone stay on track.
Staying calm improves decision-making.
Staying calm improves decision-making.
Small check-ins can prevent big problems.
Small check-ins can prevent big problems.
Time management is a key professional skill.
Time management is a key professional skill.
Today, the team performed very well.
Today, the team performed very well.
We handled the pressure in a smart way.
We handled the pressure in a smart way.
This experience made us more confident.
This experience made us more confident.
Next time, we will respond even faster.
Next time, we will respond even faster.
Every challenge is a chance to improve.
Every challenge is a chance to improve.
The team is becoming stronger together.
The team is becoming stronger together.
We are ready for the next urgent task.
We are ready for the next urgent task.